Hello everybody, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now, guys. XRP holders, first of all, before starting this video, I want to congratulate all Ripple coin holders because XRP is completely going to the moon, guys. Very congratulations. And guys, now again XRP start moving upward after a long time. So guys, very congratulations. Anyways, in this video I'm talking about the price prediction of XRP, that how much long XRP will continue this pump. So the latest update of XRP latest price is about 0.99443 USD dollar. That is the currently price of XRP, and 8% the price becomes positive in last 24 hours. So trading volume, fully diluted market cap, these every update is going positive in the market. That's great. Market cap, fully diluted market cap, and trading volume, these changes is going positive, so it's already good news for all of you. And I believe, guys, that now XRP will continue this pump for a long time, guys. You can see here, that's unbelievable, guys. It's time to make a huge profit. It's time to buy XRP, and it's time to invest more and more in XRP coin, guys. So guys, if you really want to invest in XRP, so I think it's a golden opportunity with all of you to invest in XRP Ripple coin, guys, because in the right now situation XRP just start pumping, guys. Just start pumping, and at the last of 2021 XRP will give you a surprise gift. So just hold, buy now, and make a huge profit, guys. Anyways, guys, remember, I'm not ordering you, I'm not a financial promoter. I just give you a suggestion that buy now. If you buy, so it allows you to get a profit, guys. So what's your opinion? Share in the comment box, and guys, don't forget to subscribe for more news and update videos.